Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix a problem step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can create yourself a Twitch account on your mobile phone. So basically what you can do is go on your app store and you can just search for Twitch on your app store to download the app of Twitch. Alright, so once you download the app of Twitch, just like this, click on get. So your Twitch app should start to download, and after it's downloaded and installed, what you can do is open it. So I'm gonna wait for it until it downloads and install so I can open it. So it has installed, so I'm going to click on open to open it. Now once it opens up, I can click on sign up. Once I click on sign up, it's going to bring me over here, and over here I can enter my phone number over here where it says phone number. So after entering your phone number, you can enter where it says username. So create yourself a username for your account. After you create a username where it says passport, enter a passport for your account. Once you do that, where it says date of birth, you need to choose a date of birth over here. So I'm going to choose my date of birth over here real quick. You guys also do that. After choosing your date of birth over here, basically what you need to do is click on where it says done. Once you click on done, basically you can see the sign up button. You can click on sign up and basically your Twitch account will be created. And yeah, if you don't want to use your phone number to create a Twitch account, where it says use email instead, you can click on where it says use email instead, and then where it says email, you can enter an email address. After it's done, click on next and click on next, click on next and click on done and click on sign up, and your Twitch account will be created using an email. So that's basically how you guys can create yourself a Twitch account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One Step, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.